proceed na po tayo anak on how to identify if the given ordered pair is solutions of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so first, solutions of a linear equation. Okay, everyone, can you read?
A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions expressed
As ordered pairs x, comma, y, dot.
makes the equation true.
Okay, ibig sabihin anak, ang solution daw po sa linear equation in two variables ay infinitely many solutions. So meaning, marami po tayo anak possible solutions sa ating given na linear equation in two variables. So ano po ba yung mga possible solution? It expressed as an ordered pair. So when we say ordered pairs, it is composed of x, comma, y. At dapat daw anak magkaroon tayo ng true equation or true statement. Paano po ba nagkakaroon ng true statement? Kapag po sinubstitute natin yung value ni x at value ni y, kailangan sa dulo equal yung sagot. Para masabi nating solution yung given na ordered pair sa ating linear equation in two variables. Now, again, what is an ordered pairs? So let us recall. Ordered pairs or is also known as coordinates. It is a pair of numbers that is used to represent the location of a point on a Cartesian plane. So this time, gagamit ulit tayo dito anak ng Cartesian plane. Okay, so ang Cartesian plane, it is composed of y-axis, which is the vertical number line, and the x-axis is the horizontal number line. Anak, what do you call the intersection of the two axes? Very good. Origin is located at the middle. Or origin is composed of 0, 0. How many quadrants do we have? Okay, very good. This is the first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. Again, when we say ordered pair, it is composed of x, y. And x is what we call the x-coordinate or what we call the abscissa. And this is the y-coordinate or also known as the ordinate. Okay, example of ordered pair, we have 3, 1. Okay, by the way, let us determine the sign of each quadrant. Okay, quadrant 1, what is the sign? Laging titingnan anak muna si x, di ba? Okay, what sign is this? Positive and this? Okay. Anong sign ito anak? Okay, quadrant 1, what is the sign of quadrant 1? Okay, positive, positive. And then for quadrant 2, negative, positive. Quadrant 3, okay, both negative. And quadrant 4, positive, negative. So this time anak, let us plot the given ordered pair, which is 3, 1 to our Cartesian plane. Now, how to plot? Or let us recall again. To plot a point given its coordinate, so we need to follow the steps. Step 1, from the origin, o start daw tayo dito anak sa origin. Count the number of x unit. So ano po ba x unit? Again, ang given natin ay 3, 1. Okay, first, 3, 1 is an example of ordered pair, meaning it is composed of x and y. So meaning the first number is the 3 and the second number is 1. 3 is the abscissa and 1 is the coordinate. Okay, so first, start from the origin, count the number of x unit or what we call the abscissa. What is abscissa? 3. Now, if the abscissa is positive, go to the right. And if the abscissa is negative, go to the left. So this is positive 3, meaning hakbang ng tatlo papunta sa right side. So start from here, 1, 2, 3. And then after that, step number 2. So from the point on the x-axis, coordinate the number of y units. So what is the value of ordinate or the y unit? 1. Okay, if the ordinate is positive, go upward. If the ordinate is negative, go downward. So nandito na tayo kanina, tama po? So then our y unit is positive 1, up, down, up. So therefore, this is the exact location of 3, 1. And 3, 1 is located at what quadrant? Quadrant 1 because they are both positive. Do you understand po? Sige, let's try more example. Okay. So this time, plot the given ordered pair and identify the quadrant or axis. Letter B na tayo anak. So the ordered pairs of point B, we have negative 1, 9. Again, start from the origin. Okay, so count the number of x units. So what is the x unit here? Negative 1. If the abscissa is positive, go to the right. If the abscissa is negative, go to the left. So what is x? Negative 1. So the direction is going to the left. So negative 1, isang hakbang papunta sa left. Then after that, okay, so proceed tayo kay y unit. So what is the value of the ordinate? 9. Positive. Up, down. Up. So this will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, this is the exact location of point B. And we have negative 1, 9. And point B is located at what quadrant? Quadrant 2, because the sign of the coordinates are negative, comma, positive. How about for point C? Okay, 1, comma 4. Oh, yes, Kabanban? I think his answer is correct? Okay, yes. So, therefore, this is the exact location of point C. Point C is located at what quadrant? Okay, quadrant 1. And for the last one, we have 6, comma, negative 5. Alright, Iho. Let's check if this answer is correct. So, from the origin, our x unit is positive, so 6 times. And then the y unit is negative 5 downward. Okay, so therefore, point D is located at quadrant 4. So, any question about plotting of points? Okay, so again, sabi natin kanina, the graph of a linear equation is always a straight line. Okay, now, this time let us check whether the following ordered pairs satisfy to the given linear equation into variables. Or sa Tagalog, alamin natin anak, kung yung given na ordered pairs ay solution sa ating linear equation into variables. Ano po sabi kanina? Para maging solution, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng true statement. Ano po yung true statement? Kailangan sa baba equal yung sagot. So what we're going to do, step 1, alimin natin ano yung given na linear equation. We have 2x plus y is equal to 7. Meron tayong tatlong ordered pairs. Okay, first, focus tayo kay letter A. So the given ordered pair for letter A, we have 3, 1. Let's check if 3, 1 is one of the solution to the given linear equation into variables. What we're going to do? So again, when we say ordered pair, it is composed of x, y. Meaning, ang magiging value ng x natin, anak, ay 3. And then yung y natin magiging 1. Ibig sabihin, papalitan natin to ng number. So the value of x will become 3 and y is 1. Then isosolve po natin. Okay, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1. Okay, 7 is equal to 7. If yes, meron tayong true statement. Ibig sabihin, 3, 1 is one of the solution to the given linear equation. Do you understand? Now, let's proceed with letter B. So, we have 2, 3. Same procedure. Ang magiging x natin, ano magiging value ng x? 2. And then, ang ating y ay 3. So, this will become 2 times 2 plus y, 3 is equal to 7. Solve muna natin, anak. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 3. 7 is equal to 7. Okay, thus we can say also that 2, 3 is one of the solution to the given linear equation. Naintindihan po? Okay, next, letter C tayo. What is the value of x? 1. And the value of y is 4. So this will become 2 times 1 plus the value of y, 4, is equal to 7. Or 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6 is equal to 7. Or they are not equal. Thus we can say that 1, 4 is not a solution. Do you understand the meaning of solutions of a linear equation? Kailangan, anak, sa dulo true statement para masabi natin na solution. Pag they are not equal, meaning not solution yung ordered pair na given. This time, anak, i-plot natin yung dalawa. Yung 3, 1 at 2, 3. So, ito na po yun. 3, 1, and then ito yung location ng 2, 3. 2, 3. Now, sabi kanina, ang graph daw ng linear equation ay straight line. I-connect natin. So, this is 2, 3. So, ikakunin ko yung dalawang solution. Okay, this is the graph. Ngayon, check natin yung location, anak, ng 1, 4. Ito si 1, 4. Okay. So, ang tanong, yung 1, 4 po ba ay na-touch ng graph natin? Okay, hindi siya dapat ma-touch. Bakit? Kasi not solution po siya. Ibig sabihin, anak, lahat ng ordered pair na matatouch, na madadaanan ng graph na to, ay solution po. At isa na po doon, yung 3, 1 at 2, 3. So, dahil hindi na-touch, anak, si 1, 4, meaning not solution siya. O, check natin kung matatouch natin, anak, yung ito. Yan, na-touch po si negative 1, 9. Check natin kung solution siya. Dapat solution kasi natamaan ng graph. O, check natin, negative 1, 9. Ganun pa rin, same pa rin yung graph natin. Yung given natin na linear equation, 2x plus y is equal to 7. What is the value of x? Balikan po natin. Plus, what is y? Is equal to 7. 2 times negative 1. Negative 2. Plus 9 is equal to 7. What is the sign of 2? Sign of 9. Same and like. Add or subtract. Okay, 9 minus 2. 7 is equal to 7. Yes, so meaning, kaya na-touch siya. Kaya tinamaan. Okay, again, take note. Lahat po ng ordered pair na tatama dito sa ating graph ibig sabihin, solution po iyon. So, meaning, this graph is the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 7.